Are keto diets expensive? I get that question a lot. And since I'm now at the start of week 3 of my own keto and intermittent fasting journey, I thought I would answer this question. And I want to break this down honestly for you in 3 parts. Keto has a bit of a reputation for being pricey because people imagine steaks, salmon, fancy supplements. But the truth is, keto doesn't need to be expensive. Foundation foods, eggs, cheese, butter, leafy greens, broccoli, cabbage, frozen veg, tuna, sardines, they're all budget friendly. You don't need grass-fed everything or special keto products from the shops. Stick to the whole foods and shop smart. Smart veg, frozen veg, supermarket staples, no brand Greek yogurt. They'll keep you in keto without draining your purse. Now here's where it gets even cheaper. Once you add intermittent fasting into the mix, you're naturally eating less meals. Instead of 3 meals plus snacks, you're adding 2 meals, possibly even 1 meal. And that means that your food shop lasts longer, you cook less often, and you actually save money. Fasting isn't just good for fat loss and reducing insulin, it can be good for your bank balance as well. And if you lean more towards lower meat intake like me, it gets even more affordable. You can base meals around eggs, cheese, Greek yogurt, nuts, seeds, tofu, tempeh, low carb veggies, oils like olive oil or avocado oil. You don't need meat every day to stay in keto. You can be mostly plant-based, keep your carbs low, and still feel full and satisfied. So, are keto diets expensive? They don't need to be. Whole foods, fasting, and mostly a plant-based approach actually make keto one of the more affordable ways to eat. And now, starting week 3, I'm feeling the benefits without spending any more money than I would on shopping. If you'd like me to share my budget-friendly keto meal staples, just pop a comment down below and I'll be sure to make a video with my shopping list and simple meal prep.
Health reset, plan and following, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. Mostly sticking to 2 meals a day and 2 snacks, but I managed to do a 24-hour fast, so there physically wasn't any time to be able to do the 2 meals. So as you can see on the screen, I had leeks, bacon, peas and cream, absolutely lovely, with some zero carb noodles. And then for dessert, I had Greek yogurt, nuts and some peanut butter. And then I had some rosemary crackers later on, keto friendly. I've put a link to my shorts because the recipes are in there if you fancy them. And how am I feeling 15 days in? Amazing.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.